We can say COVID-19 a serious issue. More behind anything comedy around it.
Would have all died by now. Munjai sir.
Ola Mike on the cancer.
No.
At that time, now I'm saying Kojon Cancer win. Now why yes and comedy skits maybe about COVID-19 or say, hey Charlie, you're near Brio, you're near Bray, I'm on full move beyond from the diagram. Eumwana Clemento Suarez and release the ABCD of COVID-19. The whole world be energy. So when I come back, Yannick Clemento Suarez Becker said they pani objective with sa the ABCD no and near they are related to Ola Michael as some kind say no one should do anything comedy around COVID-19. They have a conversation. Aside that, yes, three music awards for virtual concerts. At the same time, you say VGM is almost virtual concert. Most of them are just asking, say, we be Baswana and I say Maso. But I'll be talking to the spokespersons for these two award teams when we come back here on Samiflex TV. And I'm saying that if you are there, you have to share this video for anyone around the world to also see this. This is called Showbiz Daily. Showbiz Daily happens here on Samiflex TV every weekday, Monday to Friday from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Showbiz Daily here on Samiflex TV. My name is Samiflex. Let's go for another break. And when we come back, real talk begins. Alright, so it is our Reggae Wednesday here. We also just watched Black Rasta's Jamila video. And I believe you enjoyed that one as well. Reggae Wednesday. Mekaide or Plaza Femi Drew Wednesday are there called Tawala. When there is no wahala, they are Kobo Reggae, they are Shikakra, they are Samba. Stay the other part, the age that you move. You need to be but still more fire. Clemento Suarez.
Legendary.
Yeah. Ne ABCD now yema COVID-19. Say na uhunu utie from A to Z. Now nya offer baby frame. And now utie from A to Z a serial kwa. Say na utie no.
Okay, so first of all, me who said I was coming from Clemento. So or a comic actor. So first of all, nipa na ade any fee in the Wabana Casano. Sreda. Who said Clemento ABB one Casano say obviously become serious as into Utriman Casano. I say we chase can comedy show as him say DKB about stage. What do you expect? I'm not sure say when I best first of Abeka or about maybe a speech about health and now if meaning but once the person is tagged as a comedian and a comic actor and a stand-up comedian who say what share content be uncle for and as a coming from Clemento obviously. So for me it was laughter throughout.
Okay. It was
laughter throughout.
Okay, hello.
It was timely. What he did and what other comics or people who are not even comics but wanted to take a comical twist as some of the things they do on social media, I think is very timely and it's very necessary. Of course, it will be highly unrealistic for you to think that you will pick sense from everything everybody does on social media. No, you can't pick sense from all. There are places you know when you get there, it is sense you're going to pick. There are places you know when you go, you're just going to have fun. There are places you know when you go, you are going to sin. So if you get on social media and you think because you are tired and so scared, everybody else must be scared. Because you are bored, everybody else must be bored. Because you are dry and not flexible, you think everybody else should be that stiff. You'll be deceiving yourself because some people can only survive if they have a certain amount of laughter in a day. So we're looking for the guys who educate us. We're also looking out for the guys who break the ice and make us feel good. Because in these times, everything is too tight. People are broke. In times like this, don't look around and think you are not broke. Everybody is broke. You know, people are scared they're going to lose their jobs. So there's a lot of thinking. And even being kept in rooms. I think this is the first time for somebody in 40 years or 50 years that they've been kept in a room for 3 days without stepping out of their house. And so for such a person, it's a very difficult time. So you need some icebreakers. You need to liven the situation. The more reason why musicians decided to put together virtual concerts like Shatawale did, Faith Concert. The very reason why DJs decided to do mixes for people to, you know, enjoy and release the stress. The same very reason why Sarkodie would decide to do Behind the Hits for people to release some of the stress. It's another form, and the tension. It's another form of stress reliever. So if Clemento Suarez decides to do ABC of love, right? COVID-19, sorry. ABC of COVID-19, and whoever did something else, let's just see them as playing a role in these times. Everybody has a role to play. The doctors are playing their role, the police are playing their role, the soldiers are playing their role, the politicians are also playing their role. Let comedians play their role. Let them be what they have to be. If you expect everybody to come out being serious, as a matter of fact, we'll be misinformed. Because the truth is, some people are just not too intelligent to give you the information as serious as you need it.
Okay.
So if I know this guy, this is not to say comedians are unintelligent people, but there are people who are comic and very funny, and that's the best they can do. Let them give you that, and then when you want sense, go to the Ministry of Health or go to somebody else who has some sense. I was also doing a lot of postings about COVID-19.
Yeah, asking so many questions.
I felt that's what I can also do to feel good, or perhaps to also show the little that I have followed, put them together and ask probing questions. He decides to do something that will make you laugh. Somebody needs that thing. Somebody needs what I was doing, the questions I was asking. Somebody needs that. Maybe somebody needs your silence. You know, so everybody played a certain role, and each and every role was very critical. For this COVID-19 days that we're still in, I don't think there's been any useless content online.
Okay.
Frankly speaking, I do not think there's been any useless content online. Every content online has something to do, something to make people feel good. Somebody's tapping from it. So what Ola said, say, because it's, you know, COVID-19, coronavirus, you know, we should all be serious. Somebody gets serious, they will die. I had a friend who will call you constantly anytime the person sees anything online that's a bit scary. The person wants to die. Yes, and this is real. Oyayama Finikajan said, stop listening to news and stop going online, because what I'm seeing, yes, it's becoming too scary. And I know grown-ups who stopped watching videos. Who stopped watching videos either on WhatsApp, on Facebook, or wherever. They just weren't watching anything because they were too scared of the information they were getting. So for such a person, Clemento Suarez will be a lifesaver. You know, so let's allow people to do what they can do in these times. If you think you have nothing to offer, shut up.
I see. All right, now this is what I want us to do. Let's go for the video. Maybe someone has not seen the video. Let's go for the video. That is the ABC of COVID-19. Clemento Suarez are not friend, Timothy. Oh yeah.
By June, yeah.
Did your friend who Timothy didn't send you a picture? No. Yeah, but any Clemento Becasat near So let's go for the ABC of COVID-19 by Clemento Suarez.
Goodbye. Hey, Timothy, bra. Hey, Timothy, I had to say. Hey, Timothy, can a Corona ABC in the chairman?
Corona ABC. I blew so I buy a so I'm happy as she said them. Be behind he say a boy I want that I swear and the so true Corona be powerful. See, coronavirus number chiauka. The yo minya kwame the nenya vitamin A B C D F E ain't the precious and when you have been in water and you minya rotation feel na uni F flimmy so cockra na mama ya ni Jane Jimmy next nephew H Wowlonsa Paseminaya Wowlonsa Paseminaka so Paseminaya Sanaya I don't fear who Colonna no J June dear no be
hey for no casempa J
time is sitting a fianca one cow betting K Kayo say for 2 say also Leano Panum sure next nephew L lockdown, I was saying, now me doing say presidency in got on credit. Credit till time of wine. I didn't and no clear, me simu say, oh, be a madam for whom me a chum. Oh, Oh, by June.
Hey, Sisem.
Oh. Pambo, Usu Bempa, Odru, or Buffoni, Obini, baby on Mowadi, Obini.
P.
Petele, sa, no one I be.
Kill.
Valentine, any Valentine, Timagain in coffee.
R.
Rest in peace, Omo Wina. Oh, fierce swan, rest in peace.
S.
Still by June, dear.
No, changing no.
By June, dear.
Changing no.
S science student away Tim say Colada me who be that she them I was say I'm a science student. O lecturer Colada. Our cultural I
T
will be catty to be chile. Emma many a papa num the 83 comet triumph wasa. Say yes you nebi. You and I were not there, Papa. I see me see a maintaining Kakola.
V.
Very, I say unto you. Tinafie.
W.
Wow, bow, I knew wow, hint him, Catawano, winning.
X.
X-ray crying to me who are bueno. Yo.
Y.
Samakayo dada.
Z.
Zongo minister and wo.
Hey, why are there, boy, some more?
My miska.
My name say Adia Bakwe wo yes skitwe. O share 1,000 times grandpa obese. Dey bia obehwe bia line back could be ebe kikio. Ye call line so Clement or Emisa dey say medicine so far feedback no and then am for come. Clement, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Big man. Baby aboko there.
Yeah, we are doing.
Nice one. Yeah, that's a set YG so ewo Sammy Flex TV. Ebra Showbiz Daily ewo hay. Now Clement Yembisa say sa skitway COVID-19 ABC. What how many days? And the chance to throw in now.
Oh, it's really hard part. Yeah, me too. Actually, yeah. ABC.
Clemento, aya mpacho kasa de kakra na ente o ka say voice no form.
Let's afford it.
I for this
But I was doing it
one day and out the year. Okay, now objective nakasa e den. Yen fansre ana yen fansua there because at the point I can say ohronsa for seminar nowadays odesa choreography bi no e ho education emu de wen pan now pese odi to about education or the entertainment part.
Okay. I've been an advocate. Education hard what I had. My sign up to educate.
It's more of education.
Yeah, if you're not expecting to say, academic fund, the only comic actor, you know, and then you get something that you also get the funny part, you still get the education. A blend for me.
But me say omutie and omahwe no omo no kasa no de bia omo kasa omo sere dance o kan yi yesua bibia free ana
omo kasa to me na o kasa o ade be efa o da ade na kakra o na education kakra o da omo kan but for why I education.
At the same time, unya enipa bi anomo feel say ye ni abre de e koso na ehun dance obi de be comedy e bi so pass commentary bi sa
me pato so far
so far the obi anka say asema o kan ehun hia na den na de go for ABCD amanfo act e bi de to nwom sa ehono woni ho ade fa sa adweno ABCD enya daje edi letter bia de bibi share ho
you don't have to go to my archives. That was that character reading, and I found this character. And your son is a bit as other ones for Apple and the net.
Yeah.
Yeah, me, I get to really more above in a number and that's the character. Okay, the mayor
I see. Now, yes, lady now or record no the intimate minimum. But what orientation and our demand because I'm also rule or play a critical part.
Yeah,
Ose oyo ho kani.
Yeah, everyone.
Alef munya ware ye ba enche mo be ware.
Okay,
oh, nice. Da mo be ware no afre ne atimi ababi. I see. Now, Clement, you share Saturday we what me attending into commercial use amount for a bar was it for commercial purpose and
it wasn't for commercial purpose. I've been an advocate for this, but I'm not doing that for the farm. Maybe after I'm still my work is it's up to get that particular one for commercial.
And see, after the corona and seminar, everywhere there is another one coming.
Now the clinic on corona after the year, this group has a ratio for Ghana.
Okay.
But it to set
okay, let me say come on the line, the connection, I star visa. But then, Mammy Misa way finally. I mean, him said, yeah, comedians, multi performing more theater production, multi performing. Most of my start ABB online, apart from ABC, most more ABB online to entertain your people and again to commercialize it.
So far, let's see. Main amount after the own about backup. Entertain my fans. Many groups that also the YouTube channel. I hear so on the opportunities to see that what are we so far that's what we're doing. But after only a very show about Ghana.
Okay. And the YouTube channel no they need the same.
Support production.
Support production channel. So far, my videos need now why you be entertained enough.
I say that, yes, subscribers and the video that.
And you think there might be a virus they can't number the videos that too.
Oh, so just 5,000 subscribers and videos.
More trend subscribers and some of the videos now too. Hey, now I'm for who you almost subscribing for them. Among for a who your men are subscribing.
And a medical short videos about the flow, advantage to without 5,000 subscribers, we will not play. Not only
oh, okay. Alright, Clement, yeah, that's it. Say when you're ready, I can say, me did say me permit be share studio near Timmy in Komo ye.
Manisha.
Sigain.
5,000
cities are now dollars. But me send them my mom was here. Why? Alright, thank you so much. And of course, that was Timothy, aka Clemento Suarez, and in Kano. Now, come in, let's wrap up on there. See, I know who said, or no, persistent amount for far education and entertainment. But from where you sit, I also enjoy no. Nina Timilan day, and I back open and survive.
I think so tuning and depending on where you're also sitting. Consumer no, I was sure there. if you start so share, not dream is to laugh. Until you don't pay attention to the education bit of it. Until so be a but me I mention me tie both ni na. First one, me tie S3. Repetition am here biom no. And afi me to me botie. Yeah, me pick lessons elements na wom no. The first way they worship obesere. And so they repeat no. She see I was worship card my just somebody we see the time ogina ho no. And the whole character Timothy no. They be I started say school for mo yen de. So they be
okay on the other microphone you music video.
Eddie and Co.
Say they be early.
All the student from way and you can see I just say the same size now the be no.
Okay.
Anna so okay no cry beans. Go back. Who say your son?
Yeah.
You go square.
Charlie.
And I saw you go have Ben man and say, watch it. Watch it. I have
Charlie.
Go back.
And it's a character no, or play character no like 100%. Anyway, we do know also. It's education. Woman, the education does no. Or say tenafie rest in also mo me wudie media so rest in peace also we feel so rest in peace
I also we feel so rest in peace
and education does and as I the can say it come ampa me ma me so dey come for say it come and na yeso you bibi
there be won come
coronavirus I mean bibi aba yeso that can rain here but I can say hey 2020 now market get no and someone nearby
yes
into no experience in education and some kind of some of them will not see the relevance now but and this content is timeless. It's a timeless content.
Better watch
it. We are going to refer to this video every year.
The time now amount for stressy if more amount for no. You also believe that we needed some things like this. And then say me records and
now say why I was say Ola rapping Mr. I didn't buff it say na almost started from the agro to western world no get your back Cardi B short video corona the Beyonce coronavirus and also block international rough pound as obi asama bank of for Italy no no me coronavirus am no cry e koda iTunes mo ye huska bebredi me no cause iTunes at top chat sa coronavirus no and every star was put because they saw the comic sites idea ya brede bia 29 deaths one cases
in the
cases na what you want to show into Clemento they said they are no kind obe save Ghana for papa me say me I don't know ministry bena every ministry of communication they are supposed to
really concept no communication for the
not that somebody Clemento took I can't win no Kwame Eugene by na somebody comedy I don't know why they didn't even factor comedians
they were more concerned about the app.
Yeah.
They didn't even we will not even go there. That's another day for
another discussion.
Yes.
But people know about the app.
Yeah, we know.
People are using
out of that, we know.
COVID-19.
And is it working?
I don't see another.
It say I mean education and yes, he achieved both aims and nobody should say and
thank you, Committee. Is there a way he can commercialize this, make some good money out of it?
Of course he can commercialize
because amount for their spreading say Nisa ID
the interesting thing is that somebody is drinking the soup of this content and if he goes to post it he might end up being the thief. Maybe the person has already put it out there and monetized it and so once it detects another content ID which is not the one that has been monetized, you are an intruder. So it's very difficult. I don't know what else he could do. Maybe it's his image in there. So there should be a way for him to lay claims to it, but that will be a whole long process. But he can just let this one go since he still has the vim and has the creative juices to produce another one. He said it. There's something bigger coming, even more than what. Yes, out of this. And secondly, himself, he knows that this wasn't put out to make money. That's why right from the beginning he didn't look the money direction, because he's not a novice when it comes to making money online. They know exactly what they're about when they put content out. So once he didn't make money from it from the beginning, he knows he's doing this one for people just to have fun at home. He will make money with other contents.
All right, thank you so much. I know Mason Elevanyo Kobiche as well, and also to you for watching. You can share the video for others to also enjoy the content here on Samiflex TV Showbiz Daily. Now, the last thing I say, share, recipe me so afraid 1 or 2 people are awards organizers, no more part of the discussion. The two major awards are music awards. Ghana have Vodafone Ghana Music Awards, obviously the Grandpapa and the Nana Kra the Nana Kra 3 Music Awards. I think the team. So see, we are lifting band, no, but yes, social gathering be intimate koso. Yes, say a deeper 25 krana mo ya broso. Say more year less than that. Neno kra mo san bi mu ne mo hwe mo ye. Na awards ye preso ko. O share 3 music awards in Pana koso mo ye o mo event no 28 March. E say March na twuma April po e ba be ending. Na ke o say Vodafone Ghana Music Awards neno be April. April, yes. Yeah, na ke no so April anka o say no so kaya ya wi mpo a ye start nominating new songs. Sisi ya mienu na ntimi koso. It is not too clear when all these things will be over for us to have a gathering the Ebeko Grand Arena and Ebeko Fantasy Dome Akwesa Awards week. Yeah, for 3 music awards organizers, Oma Papontian Bekase, they are going to do a virtual awards. Vodafone Ghana Music Awards, then they are say, it's not too clear. And what is
like you said, it's wobbly as to whether yes, because they are weighing the pros and cons. Left to me alone, these major award schemes will hold on and come back better and bigger next year.
You think they shouldn't do it at all?
I think they shouldn't. Yes, we are doing a lot of virtual stuff. Shatawale did his virtual concert. I think the Ministry of Communication also did a virtual concert, which wasn't too beautiful. You know, I mean, it's word out there, word on the street. I think if we want to try virtual award scheme or virtual awards program, VGMA is too huge to want to try and error with it, especially when our internet services is not the best. And this is again not false information. Our internet speed is bad. Well, I don't know which telco will provide internet for VGMA or for 3 music awards, but I think we should gamble with something smaller. You know, maybe have a test music award scheme, something smaller, a test to know that okay, it can be done and it can be done this way. But to put the whole Ghana Music Awards for the first time going virtual, it hasn't been done before. And I know definitely there will be meetings, they'll figure out how the awards will be presented, performance and blah blah blah. But you know, if you look at what happens in the real organization, where you have people in the auditorium, you have performers come to perform, you have awardees come to give out their speeches after the awards. That is also very, very, very key. The things they say after they've received the awards. It's a very, very important part of awards organization. Yes, one would tell me that of course they can record it, so once you are part of the nominees, you all record acceptance speech. Whoever wins, then they play it. Now there would be confusion a bit as to who won what. You know, when we go for these main awards shows, they bring the collated results. It is open right there, it is presented and blah 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 blah. Even that, people still accuse awards organizers of going behind, you know, the stage, changing names and blah 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 before coming to mention. All these things could still be realized in this case, or in this instance, when everybody is home and is watching. What if you tell me Kobiche has won and I feel no, he hasn't won because I don't have no rep. He does not deserve it. I don't have any rep over there. Nobody else is there to look at what's happening. It's probably just the 15 of you or the 10 of you who will probably be in-house people, and you can decide on who wins what. There will be a lot of conversations, a lot of confusion.
For me, because our time is right. Let's find out if Vodafone Ghana Music Awards will be doing
Let's do it.
virtual awards. I have Robert Clark on the line. He is the spokesperson for Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Now, Robert, if you can hear me, good evening, sir.
Good evening, how are you?
Big man, I'm doing very fine, and thank you so much for joining us here on Summit Flex TV. In fact, our purpose for calling you this evening is simple. We have been hearing rumors here and there that Vodafone Ghana Music Awards 2020, you guys are likely to go virtual, and we want a confirmation or a denial of that information, Robert.
Well, it's one of the options on the table, and so yes, if you can hear rumors, it's just one of the options we're considering. So that's just it.
So how soon will the organizers put out confirmed information and maybe details of the awards event proper online?
Very soon. Very soon. Yeah, very soon. You hear from us with respect to how things will go.
So the possibility is higher than the impossibility, I guess. If it's going to happen within this particular time, then that's the only way. If it's not going to happen during this particular time, then it means obviously we are considering the other option or the regular one. So let's just say that the information will be coming out soon, and let me not lead it's premature sharing the information to. I see. Now, what will it mean to the organizers if the event doesn't happen at all? For instance, my friend Arnold Mensah-Lebanyo is suggesting that left to him alone, he would think that most of the events, the major event, the annual events, we would leave 2020 undone and maybe come and do it again next year. What would that mean to Charterhouse?
Well, I think that there are many things to be considered. It's not just they'll have like 2 years they'll have to put 2 years work together as opposed to 1 year. That's one. The other implication is maybe what does it mean for the person who is supposed to have won this year, maybe artist of the year, the person who's supposed to have a title. Whatever you win this year, you're actually winning for this particular year. And would you want to share your glories with somebody the following year? That's another thing to consider. So those are some of the things. And then, and it will mean that from 1 year without DGMA happening. And of course, it will also mean that for one particular year we have not fully engaged our fan base. For one particular year, the fan base of artists who are expecting to be able to see who's done well that is for last year. Actually, everything we're doing this year for things that happened last year. So it also means that when we are doing stuff for the following year, we have to go back 2 years. That's quite far, quite far back. So so I think that so these are some of the implications, of course, beyond the fact that there are other things that we also have to look at. As we started this work on this project has already started.
If I consider the information you've shared with us, then it means there is a high possibility that next week you might announce the date for the event. Probably, yeah?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, no problem, Robert Clark. Thank you so much, bro, for talking to us. We are really keeping an eye on the road to get that information, because Event Guide Africa and his people, they want to be part of that event, so we are following.
The line is a bit muffled. I'm not too sure I heard the last part.
What I'm saying is that people are really expecting this to happen, so we are waiting for next week's announcement. As you are saying, probably it might come to us.
Yeah, sure. The thing about the virtual dates is this. For a charter house, we've already been doing virtual. The only thing is, whenever we organize a VGMA, it's in 3 parts. We have a physical audience presence, we have the online beaming, and then we have the on-air beaming. By on-air, that is when you see stuff on TV.
Okay.
Online is when we protect the stuff on the social media platforms, so Facebook, etc., that kind of stuff. So these things, this is how our events usually have these platforms already. So by saying virtual, what we are saying is producing the show without the physical presence of people because of social distancing and the instruction for there to be absence of what you call it, events. So if it's something we're considering, then it's really something we're already used to, but we just want to be sure of what the dynamics will involve and what involve and how to be able to give a kind of experience people are already used to. Because consistency is key. You've been doing something for a period, and the brand has to meet expectations every time.
I see. Robert, thank you so much for talking to us. We'll do this again some other time, boss.
I didn't get that, but I'm sure you're saying thank you.
Yeah, I'm saying thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Robert Clark, for that one. Now we're going to Sadiq as well.
Yes.
We're going to 3 Music Awards. Sadiq will also be talking to us on the same issue. They were actually supposed to, or they are supposed to do it this weekend. I don't know whether it is still going to happen this weekend or something is going to change. But then listening to the excuses, the reasons he gave to us that they might consider, what you were advising, would you still push for it?
Yes, I still think I would push for what I was advising, that they hold on and push it to next year. I mean, he spoke about having to do double job if they have to push it to next year. Now, we have all agreed that, how do you call it, Ghana Music Awards or 3 Music Awards or even other major activities are not happening, not because you don't have sponsorship, not because you don't have the technical know-how to make it happen, but there's a global issue, global pandemic, and which will pass as force majeure. And if you are signing contracts, there's that side that says things that happen by nature. If it so happens, you can't really hold me to it. This is one of it. This is something that we have no control over, and so I don't see why you would be forced to necessarily put 2 years work together. If this year is gone, it's gone, and you didn't cause it. It is something that happened naturally. If the sun never came out the whole of this year and you had to do something with the sun, you would have to hold on to it because the sun never came out. You didn't cause the sun not to come out. So everybody understands that what is happening is not your doing, but it's something that is natural. There's nothing you could do about it. So if this year passes without you doing Ghana Music Awards or 3 Music Awards, you can't be held responsible for it. The artists who are supposed to have, won awards, hard luck to them. You didn't cause it. It just so happens that nature didn't allow us to have it. So this year is gone and it's gone. Next year you continue from where you left off. People who have released songs this year, you consider them for next year, and not people who released songs last year being considered for next 2 years. So if they don't do it this year, it doesn't mean next year if they're going to do Ghana Music Awards, they should look at music that was released last 2 years. And you didn't cause it.
Okay, hold it there for me. Let me go to Sadiq Abdullahi Abu. He will be giving us information and latest on 3 Music Awards. They had their dates earlier, but I don't know whether the date stands or maybe some changes will be happening. Sadiq, good evening, if you can hear us.
Good evening, Sammy.
All right, thank you so much for responding to us here on Samiflex TV Showbiz Daily. Now, I know we've spoken about 3 Music Awards virtual concert, but then I want to confirm the date you gave us the other day. Is it still the same date or some 1 or 2 changes are up?
No, it's been pushed a week back, so it's been pushed to 2nd May 2020.
So now the official date for 3 Music Awards virtual awards event is 2nd May.
Yes. 2nd May, yeah, that's right.
What caused the change of date again?
It was a production decision. I mean, production wanted to
and amplify it.
Hello, Sadiq.
Hello.
Yes, please, I'm not hearing you well.
Production wanted to be able to amplify the event more, so you can direct a lot more eyeballs and people to it. Don't forget, I mean, this is virtual, so you're looking to have a lot more people on TV or online as much as possible. So at the last on it, put the connectivity with it, saying that it should be tracked, so the application can be more.
Now I know the ban, a portion of it has been lifted. Are you guys holding on to faith that maybe in the coming weeks we might get back to normal activity? So you do your event at where you want to do it with the numbers?
I mean, we can't rule that out, but I mean, obviously, first in the ways we work, definitely if there's such a thing, you would have to go back to the board. But again, you would understand one thing, that even when the ban on social activities are lifted, it doesn't automatically mean that within the next few weeks you still will get the kind of numbers you're looking to get. So I mean, often when there's something like that, there will be an evaluation. We'll definitely go back to the board, make the proposals, discuss it, and then see what happens. But I mean, if the situation persists, the virtual show will be coming on next week.
Okay, 2nd May. All right, Sadiq, thank you so much. Now that we know the next date, I'm not sure we are going to strike this. We are all monitoring, and on 2nd May, we will be looking out for that as well.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much. Committee, I'm sure it is now time for you to say something. Yes, for 3 music awards, they have their dates.
2nd May.
For 2nd May. Vodafone Ghana Music Awards, we are still waiting for the probability of doing it. What are you telling us, bro, before we say?
First of all, I think I mean, we are all learning from the Western world, whether we like it or not. And I mean, I feel sad that we've not really had any major awards coming from the Western world to really learn from them how they were able to execute that. Bianca Grammy, you know, my Grammys, and also my BET, and Kevin also, what kind of thing?
Virtual.
And I said,
but some awards events they are called.